Skill Labor Employment and Entrepreneurship Department Makada Directorate of Craftsman Training Nasinduna Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme North East Region ki Awareness Campaign Haudokpagi Thauram Classic Grande de Pangthokre Thauram Maduda Additional Chief Secretary Textile Commerce and Industry and Transport Anurag Baspai Secretary Skill Labor Employment and Entrepreneurship and Bandana Joint Director Craftsman Training Yaifabalong Jamna Sharuk Yaki Hiram Ashigamari Lenana Additional Chief Secretary Textile Commerce and Industry and Transport Anurag Baspai na Phongdokibada Hauziki Matamda Naha Singda Mashaga Chanaba Mahima Singa Chanaba Thabak Piba Haibashi Kwaidagi Maroi Bathabakni National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme Asina Government Industry Amadi Naha Singi Tripartite oina chatkadaba thauram asina naha singda kanaba kaya piragani local industry yokhatnaba angamba thak tahonaba tangai phadaba leire hainariba adu thabak ta onthokpa ngamgani haikhi.
The scheme especially encourages engagement of MSMEs, women and youth from rural and aspirational districts, ensuring equitable opportunities across the state. With these salient features, the scheme envisions a tripartite collaboration between government, industry and the youth, making skills the foundation of self-reliance